Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to disable Smart Panel on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, Smart Panel may display notifications, quick settings, or other information, which can be distracting during certain activities such as gaming, studying, or focus work. Disabling Smart Panel can help minimize distractions and maintain focus. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, open the Settings app on your device. Okay, and in this page, you can scroll down till you find Special Function. After that, you can tap on it. Find out and select the option Smart Panel. This feature is designed to provide quick access to commonly used apps and tools. Once you have accessed the Smart Panel menu, you will see a toggle switch that controls the feature's activation. So, slide the toggle switch to the off position to disable Smart Panel feature. Disabling the Smart Panel will remove the panel from your device interface, freeing up screen space and potentially improving performance. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to disable Smart Panel on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.